These 5 tips will help you to build a coaching business from scratch that generates 3 to 5 lakhs monthly in just 90 days, and using the same tips I'm able to close the clients for my coaching business. The first tip is start with one signature offer. Now when I say signature offer or an irresistible offer, most of you are who are starting a coaching business, चाहे आप करियर कोच के अंदर स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, चाहे आप हेल्थ इंडस्ट्री के अंदर स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर मेकिंग अ मिस्टेक ऑफ नॉट हैविंग एन इरिस्टिबल ऑफर. अब इसका मतलब ये है कि लेट्स से if you want to start a coaching business in career industry, if you want to start a coaching business in health industry और किसी niche के अंदर in which you are good at, आपके पास एक generic offer है जो आपके competitors use कर रहे. Maybe you are a career coach who are just saying कि I will help people to get their job, या फिर I will help people to get a better opportunity in their career options, right? तो ये सारी चीजें आपको बैक ऑफ कर रही है कहीं ना कहीं एक पोजिशनिंग एंड मैसेजिंग क्रिएट करने के लिए. Because if you are not able to create that offer, an irresistible offer, I would say, you cannot charge the high ticket clients, you cannot even charge the mid ticket clients for your offer. So avoid offering multiple services, avoid offering multiple coaching programs or the I would say the curriculums and the offers to your prospects, because they will get confused कि यार अगर मुझे किसी niche के अंदर एक कोई result चाहिए, तो अगर मैं let's say if you are a ABC person, right? So अगर मैं ABC person के पास जा रहा हूँ, let's say मैं आपके पास आ रहा हूँ, but you don't have that irresistible offer and one solution that will help me to crack and get the results and the outcomes that I needed, right? Then why would I invest in your coaching program? Then why would I pay you the high ticket या फिर mid ticket amount? So try to have an irresistible offer that is solving one specific problem for one specific people or a person with your one specific solution या फिर coaching program, right? And even बहुत सारे new जो coaches होते हैं या फिर जो भी experienced coaches है जिनको अपना business scale करना है for the next level, right? तो उनके पास एक niche defined नहीं होता, which is why they are not able to create that irresistible offer या फिर एक signature offer which will help you to stand out in the market. Now moving ahead, the second tip is build a magnetic client persona. Now what I mean by that, ICPs are nothing but the ideal customer profile where you can definitely identify your target audience and the ICPs to which you are able to or to which you want to sell your coaching programs, and you have to find out the persona. Like there would be multiple things जो persona के अंदर आती है, चाहे आप demographics ले सकते हो, pain points, but you just have to stick to that persona so that you can target the right audience, you can target the right ICPs who can buy your services, who can buy your coaching programs, right? So identify the demographics of your target audience, maybe the pain points, the desires that they are looking for, या फिर जो problems वो face कर रहे हैं अभी उनके journey के अंदर, and they want to solve that problem, they want to solve their pain points to get the desired outcome that you want to sell, that you are looking for and that you are selling to them, right? So try to like understand their pain points, the problems that they are looking for. Maybe अगर कोई health coach, let's say if you are a health coach, then the pain points or the desires of your ICPs or the target audience would be कि उनको weight loss करना है, maybe they want to lose the weight, maybe they want to gain the weight as well, like just to flip the coin, right? And there would be multiple situations as per you want to do a market research and you want to find out such pain points and the desires that your ideal client is looking for. Now you can also like think about the what transformation your ideal client is looking for, or maybe you can directly speak to their, and maybe you can also directly speak to their aspirations or rather than directly speak to their pain points and the desires, right? This is a reverse attraction, or this is a reverse funnel that you can use to attract the ideal prospect in your pool, in your I would say the bucket, so that you can just start selling your coaching programs. And if you don't know how to create an irresistible offer, or if you don't know how to find out the right ideal clients, and if you are getting some issues, problems in finding out your target audience who can actually buy your programs, who can actually buy your services, then I am here to help you out, because I help coaches and consultants like you build their coaching programs profitably that will help you to generate 3 to 5 lakhs per month in the next 90 days. Just fill out the below form and I will get back to you, and we will have a one-on-one call where I will understand all your problems, all your challenges that you are facing to grow your coaching business. So just click the link below. Link would be in the first description. Just book a call, or you can simply fill that form and I'll get back to you. Now moving ahead, you have to use or leverage the 3P framework. Now 3P framework is nothing but the profile, position and promote. So if you are like, if you want to get the clients, or if you want to stand out अपने industry के अंदर, then you will have to use 3P framework, or the like profile या फिर position and then promote, which will help you to stand out into the current market and sell your coaching programs या फिर से grow your coaching businesses really efficiently. Now profile के अंदर सबसे पहले you will have to optimize your LinkedIn profile and the Instagram profile because I specifically focus more on these two platforms क्योंकि organic reach बहुत अच्छी है इन platforms के अंदर and you can also start with the text based content या फिर video based content on LinkedIn plus Instagram as well, which will help you to get the inbound leads as well for your business and which will help you to stand out as a client magnet. These two profiles will act as a magnet to attract the ICPs, to attract the right clients or the target audience to your pipeline or to your coaching business. So optimize it really well. Your profiles are nothing but the landing page for your coaching business. So because prospect will only have 3 to 5 seconds to judge you, your offer, your offerings that you are offering to your target audience. So optimize the profile accordingly and then stand out into the market by sharing the content, right content I would say, so that you can just attract the right ideal customers who are actually paying for your coaching business. And second one is the position. Now you have to position yourself as a brand authority, as a authority person या फिर trusted person in your industry, let's say career coaching. तो आपको clients win share करने, you have to share the testimonials या फिर case studies so that you can position yourself as a go-to person या फिर expert. Yes, maybe ABC person, let's say Aniket, right? So Aniket is the right person for the career coach, for the career coaching. Let's say if ABC person is a career coach and some XYZ person wants to get a job, तो अगर ABC person ने एक position अच्छी सी create की है, if he has created that positioning and right messaging so that XYZ person can reach out to him to buy his coaching businesses, right? क्योंकि उसने एक authority build की है, क्योंकि उसने एक personal brand build किया है with the help of position, with the help of LinkedIn and Instagram. And last one is the promote. Now when it comes to the promotion या फिर promote framework, you don't simply have to like sell your coaching business, hey buy my services, something like that, but you have to share the actionable tips, you have to share the educational and content I would say, so that it will help you to promote your services as well. At the end I'm talking about, सबसे पहले आपको promotion नहीं करना है, you have to build that authority and the trust so that people can trust on you, you will build that credibility and they will at the end buy from you as well. Now moving ahead, the most important part is you have to automate your lead generation systems early I would say. The reason is, let's say if you are not focusing on the lead generation part, then you cannot attract the ideal clients in your pool and you cannot convert those leads into a prospect or prospect into a client, right? Because at the end you want to generate the revenue. और अगर आपके पास lead generation आ ही नहीं रही है, then it is so hard to convert those leads, I would say the right leads into a clients. So focus more on the automating your lead generation process and one thing I'm not talking about the complex lead generation funnels या फिर बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं कि यार अगर मुझे ऑटोमेट करना है तो बहुत सारी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज़ें होगी. नथिंग लाइक दैट. आपको एक ईजी फ्रेमवर्क फॉलो करना है. यू जस्ट हैव टू फोकस मोर ऑन the discovery calls. Maybe you can just work on your Calendly links, you can work on your barrier forms and something like that, the forms that you are filling out while getting the information from your prospect, right? या फिर DMs, maybe you can just go with the Calendly links for the discovery calls, maybe sales strategy calls and something like that. Because if you are not focusing more on the lead generation part, automating that, see अगर आपको business grow करना है तो आपको जो task होते हैं वो rightly manage करने पड़ेंगे and you don't have to spend a lot of time on the tasks which you can delegate या फिर किसी को दे सकते हो, right? So focus more on this part and you have to focus more on quality and not the quantity. Later on you can focus more on the quantity, but firstly try to have the right quality leads in your bucket ताकि conversion आपका जो rate है वो बढ़ जाए. Let's say 10 people are coming to your pool, then you can simply convert 30 to 40% of those prospects into your clients, just because you are focusing more on the quality, not the quantity. And the last step, the most important step I would say to scale, is to track and iterate your maybe metrics. You have to track all the metrics that are working for you, maybe engagement metrics, maybe what is the conversion percentage that you are getting while getting on a call. Let's say if you are getting a 10 sales calls, then what is the kind of sales framework that you are using so that it would help you to convert out of the 10 maybe 40%, maybe 50%. तो क्या sales framework आप use कर रहे हो, कैसे आप sales calls conduct कर रहे हो, this is really important. And इसके बाद आपको उसको scale up करना है. Let's say if one sales framework is working for you, then identify क्या चीज आपने उस सेल्स फ्रेमवर्क के अंदर बताई थी, विच इज वाई यू आर गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सेज, विच इज वाई यू आर गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कन्वर्जन्स फ्रॉम prospect to a client, right? So you can just multiply that for your coaching business. So understand your metrics really well for your business. हर किसी business के लिए metrics अलग होंगे. Maybe you are a service provider, then how many leads you are getting. Maybe if you are a coaching business, right now we are talking about the coaching businesses, then how many clients you are closing and how many qualified leads you are getting with respect to the offer that you have, engagement that you are getting, as I told you. So these are the few metrics that will absolutely help you to grow your coaching business and attract the right qualified leads into your pipeline. So these are the few 5 steps, really important 5 steps, which will help you to grow your coaching business from scratch or wherever you are in. And if you followed these steps and the frameworks, I am sure you will see the results. And if you want me to create some more topics, some more videos on some different topics, just let me know into the comment section right now. और हाँ, इस वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलना, क्योंकि I'll get to know कि yes, you are getting some helpful information so that I can just create more number of videos on these topics. So thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in the next video.